Hey berries. In today's video, we are going to the beach, but before make sure to like, comment and subscribe, hit that notification and future do. Let's start just video. So now we're at the beach, but before we start go swimming, we gonna put on sunscreen.
Mommy, I'm so excited. This is my first time here.
Since the beach chairs are put down, me and my husband are just chilling out, and Naomi is just building a sandcastle.
I think I did good. Oh, I did very well. I'm getting bored of this. I'm going to see what the others are doing. Hey guys, what are you doing?
I'm just jumping on the trampoline. Want to come in the water?
Yes, I love to.
Hey sis, want to go to the deep end?
What? Think I want to go there? Of course not.
Just come on. Don't be a scary cat.
Bro, there's sharks there. And since I'm not a scary cat, I coming with you. Bro, if I see a shark, I was warning you.
There's no shark now, come on.
Bro, I'm out of here. I'm going to watch Naomi and see what she's doing.
Bro, there's no shark. Oh my god, is that a shark? Now I'm out of here.
Sis, what are you doing?
I'm teaching Naomi how to swim. Duh.
Far boy, are you blind or something?
Why are you so extra, sis?
I'm extra, or are you basic?
It's getting later anyways. I tried to make longer, but it didn't work out. But anyways, well berries, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, hit that notification and see you. In my one bye berries.